Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of My Hood Garden. And right now, all you see me doing is repurposing some plastic bottles that are food grade so I can plant some seedlings. And today I'm going to transplant some green onions that I bought from the store, had sitting in water, into one of these bottles. Okay, y'all, so these are the grow lights that I was talking about. I thought I was going to have to buy some more because they wouldn't stand on, but come to find out, I just had the wrong plug. So I'm finna water these, but I don't water them on top. I water them from the bottom. So I'm just gonna do like that. That may be too much water in the one in the bag. It'll let me know if it is. My seedlings, I water from the bottom. I have to refill this up. And then when I do it from the top, I do my fertilizer. But I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. So like, I know it's not the prettiest setup, but like, we on a lifetime budget over here. So we do what we gotta do. And that's it. I just let it, I don't water them no more for the rest of the week. I'm gonna move this one to the back. Well, actually, I need to take them off. Let me take them off, and then I'm gonna sit them down off in there because there is a bottom to catch the water from the top. And I'm about to transplant those and that to see how it work. And then I'm gonna come back and show y'all what I got doing. Okay, y'all, so this is the what's it called? This is the fertilizer I use for my seedlings, right? I'm just using what I already had. So I just take a spray bottle, squirt some of this in here, and then I'll top this off with more water, just shake it up and just spray it on top of my plants. So I'm going to transplant some green onions into this bottle, right? But I'm not going to do these because I don't know, I feel like I should have did them sooner. But I am going to do these. I bought these from the store a while ago, like a week ago. And I'm going to put these into this bottle, and I'm going to do these as well. I've been cutting on both of those, and they just keep growing back. Some of them have died off. I feel like the reason why they died off is because they haven't been put into some soil. But first, I need one of those things that melt plastic. But first, I have to put holes in here. So I'm going to do this. I'm trying to put at least 4 holes in it. Y'all don't mind Sonny Boy. He in timeout, so he's mad. But you gotta stop the trash, dude. You too old for that. You know that.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Now look at you. You finna go in timeout next. Now, Hot Boy done knocked over the fucking road lights. I'll be back, y'all. I gotta go check on my equipment. So I filled it up halfway. So now I'm going to just stick these in there and put dirt around them. I think I'm going to do these too. Now when I do these I'm finna trim the ends off. Cause I trim them off before I stick them in water. And apparently they have grew out. They look like they've grown out a lot. That's it. So I'm going to put this over there in the in the pan, and I'm going to put the rest of this dirt on top. I'm going to water it, and then that's going to be that.